P304 3-bedroom apartment. Length is 13 by 6. It's with maid's room. Balcony to living room is small. It's a road view. Maintenance work is going on, so it will be taken care of. This is our guest washroom. This one, kitchen has a balcony and space for laundry only. If it's a dishwasher, then laundry and dishwasher can be adjusted alternatively, but in the kitchen there is no space. This is maid's room with washroom, and this is two-door wardrobe with nice sunlight in the maid's room. All 3 bedroom have washroom. First bedroom have washroom detached, which is outside. That's our first bedroom with 4-door wardrobe. Both 2 rooms have attached washrooms. So basically there are 5 washrooms including maids. The bedroom is nice size and it's bright as it's a corner unit. Master bedroom has again a small balcony towards the end in the corner with 4-door wardrobe and bathtub. So you have standing shower and bathtub, both options. Thanks.